Artis has always introduced futuristic products that enhance your bathing experience. The newest such product in our lineup is Showertronic iV2, a magical touchpad-controlled showering system. This is your Showertronic iV2 touchpad. Once the system is installed, all you need to operate your Showertronic iV2 is this touchpad, which is your control and communication interface for all shower functions. At the touch of a fingertip on the high durability waterproof touchpad, you can choose your water outlet and manage water flow, control the temperature, as well as activate special functions if required. To get going with the Showertronic iV2, the mandatory first step is to run the startup function, which lets the system automatically detect and display the outlets connected to it. Do this by pressing the first outlet button for 3 seconds. A countdown warns you before the process starts. During the process, the on-off button flashes and various outlet buttons light up as the system tests all the outlets connected. Now, with the Showertronic iV2 in standby mode, there are 2 ways to turn on and turn off the shower. The first way is to press the warm-up button. This makes the shower expel cold water and keep water ready at the right temperature. After warming up, it waits in pause mode. The other way to start showering is by simply pressing the play button, which is best for cold water showers. The pause mode is perfect for when you are soaping or shampooing. The system maintains the water temperature, and if you press play within 3 minutes, it automatically finds the exact parameters of the shower, or else it goes into standby mode. Whenever Showertronic is paused, the display shows the water consumed. Until then, if the system goes to standby, the water consumed resets to 0. A green product, Showertronic allows you to precisely monitor your usage of water and reduce water consumption through the choice of modes and water flow rates. While the shower is in use, the red and blue buttons can be used to change the temperature of the water in increments of 1 degree centigrade. For cold water showers, a sustained press on the blue button will decrease the temperature quickly until a blue LED lights up to indicate that only cold water is being used. Simply press the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the flow rate of water. Flow rate changes in steps of 2 liters per minute. To change the water outlet, press the button of your choice from the available options. Once you have found your perfect combination of water outlet, temperature and flow rate, store it as the normal setting by simply keeping the play-pause button pressed for 3 seconds to let the system memorize that setting. And if you wish to remove this setting and go back to the factory default setting, press the same button again for 3 seconds while the shower is in standby mode. To ensure perfect hygiene in the system, Showertronic iV2 is also equipped with functions like automatic internal cleanup, which forcefully flushes water for 10 to 15 seconds from all outlets to remove lime and impurities from the outlets and the pipes. The thermal disinfection feature, recommended to be done annually, flushes hot water through all outlets for 5 minutes at the maximum temperature available in the water heater. When the seasons change and heated water is no longer required, the summer mode function allows the system to operate without hot water and offer better flow rates. However, do ensure that the water heater or boiler is switched off. This mode gets deactivated automatically when the system goes to standby. Unlike conventional thermostats, RT's Showertronic iV2 is also capable of auto-calibration, stabilizing the water against any external change in pressure, water flow or temperature, even if the pressure differential of cold and hot water goes up to 5 bars. The Showertronic iV2 also features its own battery backup to ensure uninterrupted showering. And since it is a smart system, it detects shower malfunctions as well and displays alarms on the touchpad when the system spots problems that persist for over 5 seconds. RT's Showertronic iV2, making the ultimate thermostatic and flow-static showering indulgence easy and safe to enjoy for everyone.